This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 14, Exit Ticket. Today we only have one problem. Donald writes 6 times 9 equals 54. Select 2 strategies you could use to check his work. All right, so let's check. We got to find 2 strategies. You can use the 9-finger strategy. Could we do that? Yes, we could. You can add 6 plus 9. Do we add 6 plus 9? No, we do not add 6 plus 9. That is not correct. You can subtract 54 minus 9. What would that tell us? If we took away 54 minus 9? No, that wouldn't help us check it. That would help us find 5 times 9, but not check his work, which is what they're asking us. You can skip count by 6s. Yes, we could. We could skip count by 6s 9 times. So our 2 strategies that we can use is you can use the 9-finger strategy. You can skip count by 6s.